What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lil Will. Today I'm going to show y'all how to color Easter eggs. I'll be using the Golden Deluxe coloring kit. It comes in 5 different colors. You can use stickers, egg wraps, and a wax pencil. While the eggs are boiling, I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up. After the eggs are boiled and cool, I'll get back with y'all. Alright guys, the eggs are boiled, now they're cool. I have 4 cups with the dye in them. I'm going to use the color blue, red, orange, and yellow. After you put your eggs inside the cups, you at least put it in for 5 minutes. If you want your eggs to be darker, you put it in more than 5 minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the eggs inside the dye. So I'm going to put this egg in the blue. Then I'm going to put this one in the red. This one in orange. Then the last one's going to be in the yellow. Now the eggs are in the cups. I'm going to see y'all after 5 minutes is up. Alright guys, it has not been 5 minutes yet. I just wanted to show y'all how the eggs are doing right now. So we have the blue one. I'm just going to stir it up real quick, so it gets all the sides of the egg. Same for the red one. That's what it looks like. Then for the orange, I'm gonna show y'all. And the yellow. And you can mix your eggs. You can put them in one color and then put them into the next color. So I'm gonna update y'all in the next minute. Alright guys, it has been 5 minutes. The eggs have soaked enough. Now I'm gonna put them in this cutout so they can dry. So let's go ahead and get the eggs. I'm gonna do the yellow one first. Now we're going to get the red. Now that red looks really, really perfect. So let's put it in. Now we're going to get our blue. It looks really, really good. Last color, orange. Oops. Now I'm gonna let the eggs dry. See y'all after the eggs dry. Alright guys, another thing that you can do is use a wax pencil. You can write designs, words, or letters, and then you're gonna soak it for 5 minutes. And then after you take it out, you're gonna see what you made. And I'm gonna try it. Alright, I wrote it, now I'm gonna put it in the red. Alright, now we're gonna let it soak for 5 minutes. See y'all in 5 minutes. Alright, while this one is soaking, I'm going to go ahead and decorate these eggs. So we got like rabbits, arrows, butterflies, and crosses and arrows. For yellow, I'm going to pick a blue one. I'm going to use the rabbit. Place it right. I'm going to place it right here on center. Then for a blue one, I'm gonna put a yellow. I'm gonna go with the butterfly and put it right on top. And then for our orange, I'm going to do bread. I'm gonna do a Easter egg. We'll smack it right here. Right there is where we'll put that one. And our last one, we're gonna put a yellow on it, flowers on our red egg, right here. Flowers on our red egg. Alright guys, it's been 5 minutes now. We're gonna take it out, then we're gonna let it dry, see y'all when it's done drying. Alright guys, the egg is done drying now. You're ready to see it. Here we go. My YouTube name, Lil Will. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching all my videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. I'd like to give a big special shout out to Natalie. Hey Natalie, thank you so much for watching all my videos and supporting my channel. I'll see y'all next time on Lil Will Does It All, and I post every Wednesday. Bye guys.